What's up guys, this is Godcolor. Today, we're going to be unraveling the hot model from the Dunk SB line and the Powerpuff Girls collab Bubbles. There are 3 known colorways in the collection: Buttercup in green, Blossom in pink, and Bubbles in blue. For all JT knows, a Mojo Jojo colorway could also be on the way. Currently this shoe cannot be found on stocks. It comes from Japan and retails for around $2,600. I'm also glad I was able to get my hands on an authentic pair, and finally researched and produced them with continuous overtime at the factory. So let's be the first to preview it today. First of all, in terms of the overall shape of the shoes, they're not very different. Genuine shoes are slightly flatter, and the toe will turn upwards with a pronounced curve. GT's shoes are consistent with the genuine article in terms of curvature and a soft folding sensation. This is a comparison between Market A and the real thing. It has a slightly flat toe, giving it a stereotypical look. And the curvature of this pair of Market B's is close to zero, focusing only on the shape and ignoring the angle. This is a point that is not easily emphasized in copycat production. Then we come to the label on the tongue of the shoe. If the difference in the toe of the shoe is not instantly noticeable, then the label on the tongue of the shoe will be easy to see. Genuine has 5 stars. GT's star distribution position is not misaligned with the genuine one. And although the 2 pairs of market goods have the same number of stars, but the distribution is worlds apart. Other than that, compare the word SB carefully. You can see that the genuine S has a wider and flatter rear end. GT's shoes are not the same finish as the marketed ones. Obviously, JT's shoes are closer to the real thing. The heel of the shoe also needs to be highlighted. I-shaped heel wrap consists of 4 layers of silver, blue, black and white. The thickness of each layer is different. The silver curved top of this authentic pair is on the thin side. Then the white color is to the left of center. GT's shoes fit in these 3 details, including the sewing process. Let's go back to market goods A and B. The silver layer is clearly out of proportion, too narrow in the center and too wide at the sides. The white pupil is also to the left of center, but it's too wide. Market goods B made the same mistake, though the finish on the pupil is a little better than the market stuff A, but the overall proportions are still not as natural as the real. The 4th detail is the color of this sole. The difference in restoration is obvious even to the layman. Genuine crystal base is light and dark in color. The 2 market pairs are darker and brighter in color and natural coloring. GT's sole conforms to a matte color palette with passable sole detailing. Enough about the soles, let's talk about the insoles. Let's start with what a genuine insole looks like. First of all, the front of the insole contains very many elements. The richness of the colors means that it is quite difficult to balance the chromatic aberration. The 3 blues alone are not easy to distinguish. Here's a comparison of the authentic and JT insoles. Can't tell the difference at the moment. The jagged edges are also noted. Market insoles don't have the colorfulness and mix of colors. It's obvious. The blue color of this part of Market A's insole is purplish, and the coloring is too intense. The yellow in this part of Market B's insole is on the orange side, just as much as it misses on the coloring. Okay guys, that's the general details of this shoe. If you want to see more details, you can go to our website and search for this pair of shoes, which have the information you need. See you in the next video.